Hey everyone, it's Rita coming to you with a Dollar Tree, Dollar General DIY today. Very simple. I'm going to make 2 solar lights using the Dollar Tree hanging baskets, and these solar lights I picked up from Dollar General. You just take the stake off, and then I'm going to use some fix-all glue and glue these to the baskets. So keep watching. I'm actually doing a voiceover outside in the rain, so I hope you can hear it. At the end of the video, you will hear the rain as I show you how these look at night outside on the porch. Instead of music today, I believe I'll just leave the sounds of the rain in. So what I'm doing here is just trying to center this, and I'll use the fix-all glue. I'm going to put it on one of these oh gosh, you guys, I can't even think. It's one of the craft sticks, so I won't get it all over my hands. So I'll just place the glue in the places on the basket that are going to adhere to the solar light. And it's really raining now. Once you get your glue in place, you'll need to set I set a heavy book on top of it, and you really need to let these dry 24 hours before hanging. You could paint these, I chose not to. You could put greenery on them, flowers, but I chose not to put anything on them. I just left them as is. And here you'll see that I did place a couple of books on top just to hold it down till the glue dries. Sorry about sticking my head in the way there. And now I'll just begin on the other one, and we'll do the same thing. So just the same procedure on this one, guys. I won't make you watch this, but I do glue it down, place books on top, and like I said, please let it dry 24 hours before hanging. And here's what they look like during the day. It's in the evening. I did happen to catch a hummingbird right here. There he is, and there he goes. And I've hung the other one on the other side of the porch. And now for the night scene.